In this tutorial, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of Python programming. Specifically, we will focus on understanding what classes and objects are. Here, we just created a Python class named car. Now, a class is like a blueprint for creating objects. Objects are instances of classes. In our case, the class car doesn't do much. It simply has a single property, color, which is set to red by default. Now, we've created an object my_car from the class car. My_car is now an instance of the car class. You can think of it like we've just manufactured a new car from our car blueprint. As you can see, when we print my_car.color, we get red. This is because the color property is a part of our car class, and when we created an instance of this class, my_car inherited that property. Here, we've just created two more objects, your_car and their_car, each an instance of the car class. All of these cars are red, since that's the default color in our blueprint or class. As expected, when we print your_car.color and their_car.color, both of them are red. Just like my_car, these cars also inherited the color property from the car class. So to summarize, a class in Python is like a blueprint, and an object is an instance of that class. We create classes to define objects and their properties, and then we can create as many objects of that class as we want. Each object will have the properties defined in the class. Hopefully, you now understand the basic concept of classes and objects in Python. This is a very powerful feature that allows you to organize your code and make it more modular and maintainable. Keep practicing and happy coding.